Hello friends, how are you? So now, after completion of lesson number 1-3, we are moving to lesson number 4, that is reconstruction of partnership. Reconstruction of partnership means, see, reconstruction means reform, right? So reconstruction of partnership means change made in partnership. Change made in partnership due to several reasons. See, some changes are made in partnership due to several reasons. ये रीजन क्या हो सकता है? Which are the reasons? Reason number 1, the change in ratio P&L. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस शेयरिंग रेशियो चेंज कर देते पार्टनर्स. क्यों? I'll explain afterwards. Second, admission of a new partner. When firm needs some more money, more management, more manpower, more momentum, the new partner is admitted. And retirement or death of a partner. So due to these 3 reasons, partnership firm is reconstructed. Okay friends, now reconstruction means what? Reconstruction of partnership means changes made in partnership due to some reasons. So first and very important reason is change in profit and loss sharing ratio. Why partners change their P&L ratio? Sometimes a partner is not in a position to give sufficient time to the firm. Sometimes due to illness, partner is not able to be active into the firm. Or sometimes due to personal reason, he is not in a position to give sufficient time to the firm. So because of this, the change in profit and loss sharing ratio. Right? So partners decide to change the P&L ratio due to these reasons. Okay. Second reason, admission of a partner. Suppose 2 partners are there. Raj and Simran are the partners. And they admit a new partner. They admit Ajay as a new partner into the firm. So now there will be 3 partners. Suppose Raj and Simran, they were sharing P&L 1:1 equally. And new partner joins the firm. So ratio will be changed. So firm is to be reconstructed. Terms and condition will be changed because earlier there were 2 partners and now there are 3 partners. Okay. And the third reason is retirement or death of a partner. Suppose there are 3 partners. Aju, Baju and Kaju. Aju, Baju, Kaju. 3 partners. One partner retires or maybe death or any reason partner retires from the firm. So earlier the profit was distributed among 3 partners. Now one partner retires. So 2 partners are there. Again there is change in partnership form. So dear friends, this is the simple meaning of reconstruction of partnership firm. Clear? Now, a very important thing, when there is a reconstruction, the P&L ratio will be changed. And due to this change, 2 possibilities are there. Either a partner sacrifices something or partner gains. For example, suppose there are 2 partners, only 2 partners. Tommy and Moti are the partners, two partners. They share P&L 3:2, that is 5. Now they decided to change their P&L ratio, that is equally. So this is their old ratio, and now new ratio is 1:1. So friends, profit is 100 rupees. For example, profit is 100 rupees. What is the part of Tommy? See, Tommy's part 3:2 means 5, total 5 ratio. So Tommy's part is 3/5 means 60 rupees. Moti's part, that is Moti's profit, 40 rupees. So this was earlier. This is old. Old was 60 rupees and 40 rupees. This was earlier. Now they decided to change their profit and loss sharing ratio. The new ratio is equally. Equally means 1:1. 1:1. So now tell me, the profit is 100 rupees. Profit is 100 rupees. Earlier it was 3:2. That was old ratio. Old amount, he was getting 60 rupees and Moti was getting 40 rupees. Now new ratio, they changed the ratio. The new ratio is 1:1. 1:1 means equally. And profit is suppose 100. So new amount of profit will be 50 rupees and 50 rupees. Now dear friends, you compare how much Tommy was getting earlier. He was getting 60 rupees earlier. Now he is getting rupees 50. Earlier he was getting 60. Now he is getting 50. So 10 rupees is what? 10 rupees for Tommy is what? It is sacrifice. Moti was getting earlier 40 rupees. Now Moti is getting 50. Old part, old profit, old share was 40 rupees. And new share of profit is 50 rupees. Earlier he was getting 40 and now is getting 50. Dear friends, tell me, what is the change? So he is getting benefit. इनको आता है loss, sacrifice बोलते हैं इसे, or he is getting gain. Right? So I'll explain formulas afterwards. But this is the simple example. Old ratio was 3:2. Profit is suppose 100. So you have assumed profit 100. 100 rupees, 3:2. Total proportion 5. 3/5 into 100. 60. This was OLD, old. Moti's part 100 into 2/5, 40. This is also old. So all profit 60 and 40. Now they change the ratio due to any reason, and the new ratio is 1:1, that is equally. So equally 100 rupees means 50-50, आधा, right? So 50 rupees is the new share. Old share was 60. If you are getting 60 rupees earlier and now you are getting 50, means you are losing 10. उसे प्यार से लोग sacrifice कहते हैं. So sacrifice made by Tommy is 10. Now Moti का सोचो, Moti he was getting 40. New share is 50. पहले उनको मिलता था 40, अब मिलता है 50. So he is getting benefit of 10 rupees. उसे लोग कहते हैं gain. Friends, keep in your mind one thing. In partnership firm, if they change the ratio, then two possibilities are there. One sacrifice and one gains. And your answer will be always tell it. जितना ये लॉस करेगा इतना ही ये गेन करेगा. जितना ये सेक्रीफाइस करेगा उतना ही ये गेन करेगा. अगर मान लो 3 partners are there, Even answer will be tallied. Clear, friends? And sometimes it is also possible that one partner's part remains unchanged. Means no sacrifice, no gain. Okay, friends? So this is a simple introduction of topic. Okay, friends, clear? Friends, after this example, let us understand the formula. One partner sacrifice, so formula becomes sacrifice or sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new share. Old share minus new share. For example, X and Y are the partners. X and Y are the partners sharing P&L equally. Equally means 1:1. So 1/2 is the oldest share. They decided to change the new ratio, that is 7:3. 7:3. Come on, 7:3 means 7 plus 3, 10. So 7/10, 3/10. Clear? 1:1 means 1/2, 1/2. 7:3 means 7/10, 3/10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now, find out sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new. पुराना जितना मिलता था, मान लो 5 lakhs, now is getting 4 lakhs, means 1 lakh is a sacrifice. Okay, so your ratio is given, so you have to write in that form only. Okay, so what is the old share? 1/2. Let us find the sacrifice made by X. X, old 1/2, new 7/10. Old share minus new share. Old is 1/2, new is 7/10. Keep in your mind this two. See, we have two methods. One is LCM method, and second, very simple, cross multiplication. So cross multiplication method, 10 ones are 10, 7 twos are 14, 10 twos are 20. So now 10 minus 14 upon 20. 10 minus 14 minus 4 upon 20. Minus 4 upon 20. और सिंप्लीफाइज करो तो minus 1/5. Okay. So minus 1/5. Friends, you are going to sacrifice. लेकिन your answer comes negative. Negative sacrifice बन जाता है gain. Negative sacrifice means what? It is gain, benefit. Okay? आप सोचते हो किसी को मैं 100 रुपया दूं, आपने 100 दिया तो उन्होंने आपको 500 दिया, तो 400 का बेनिफिट हुआ. See, that happens कभी कभी, right? Okay? अमिताभ नहीं बोलता था कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, so ये कभी कभी होता है. Okay, so minus 1/5, when your answer comes negative, it is called gain. Okay, so sacrifice old share minus new share. If answer comes negative, so instead of sacrifice, it becomes gain. Okay, अभी देखो Y, partner Y, his old share 1:1 means 1/2. New share 7:3 means 3/10. Old share 1/2 minus 3/10. 10 ones are 10, 3 twos are 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. It comes 4 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon 5. So यहाँ पे जो आंसर है ना वो पॉजिटिव है. So sacrifice made by partner Y 1/5. Now dear friends, I explained earlier, when two partners are there and while finding sacrifice ratio, keep in your mind, two partners are there. If one sacrifice, another gains. Okay, so your x gains 1 by 5, y sacrifice 1 by 5. Your answer will be always tell it. Okay, so this is sacrifice. We'll do practice afterwards. So we have given enough sums in worksheet. So this is only explanation. Okay, so we'll do sums in worksheet afterwards. Let us take one more example, but that is of gain. If it is gain, then formula will be ulta. Gain ratio is equal to new share minus old. If new share is more compared to old, then you can say it is gain. Man lo, in partnership firm, earlier you are getting 5 lakhs. And after this reconstruction, after new changes, after new ratio, you get 7 lakhs. Earlier you were getting 5 lakhs. That was old. Old share was 5 lakhs. New is 7 lakhs. So you can say 2 lakhs is a gain. If new is more, old is less, it is gain. So formula is new share minus old share. Okay. New share minus old. So gain ratio is equal to new share minus old. For example, A and B are the partner. Sharing P&L 3:2. 3:2 below. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Panja. So 3 upon 5, 2 upon 5. This is your old ratio. That is decided to change the ratio, that is equally 1:1. So new ratio will be 1:1, means 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Find gain ratio. So to find out gain, what is the formula? New share minus old. What is the new share? New. This is your new share. New share of A is half, 1 upon 2. Minus old. Old is 3 by 5. So cross multiplication. आप LCM भी ले सकते हो. 5 ones are 5. 3 twos are 6. 5 minus 6. 2 5s are 10. 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 10. So while finding gain ratio, your answer comes negative. Gain negative. मतलब हुआ sacrifice. So keep in your mind this formula. This is very important. Usually gain is equal to new minus old and आपका आंसर आना चाहिए positive. लेकिन gain ratio में अगर if you are getting negative answer, negative gain means what? Sacrifice. So your sacrifice is 1 by 10. Okay. So minus 1 by 10 gain is equal to what? Sacrifice. Now B. B is new share is 1 by 2. New share is 1 by 2. Old share is 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 2 twos are 4. 5 twos are 10. 5 minus 4. 1. 5 twos are 10. So 1 by 10. So your answer is positive. What we are finding? Gain. So gain is 1 by 10. Keep in your mind, friends, answer must be tallied. See, here gain of A is negative. Gain of A is negative means you can say it is sacrifice. So sacrifice made by A 1 by 10 and gain made by B, that is 1 by 10. So you are getting the same answer, sacrifice and gain. Clear? Now फटाफट recap देखो. Sacrifice ratio, what is the formula? Old share minus new. Old share minus new. And sacrifice. While finding sacrifice, your answer comes negative. It becomes gain. While finding sacrifice, your answer is negative. Negative sacrifice means gain. And while finding gain, what is the formula of gain ratio? New share minus old. And if gain comes negative, it is sacrifice. And gain come positive, it is a gain. So clear friends? चलो चलते चलते keep in your mind फटाफट. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new. Gain is equal to new share minus old. Clear? Write down.